22 stylish bedrooms with chic upholstered headboards. Are you looking to add a splash of girly glam to your bedroom? Los Angeles-based interior design firm Alexandra Phoenix Designs works the look with a blush channel headboard by Delmar. A curvy Ogee headboard picked up for cheap at TJ Maxx anchors this beautiful blue bedroom by interior designer Marcel Gilbeau. On top of the bed is a decorative pillow made from a vintage Moroccan wedding blanket. Here interior designer Tamara Habinski uses luxurious mohair velvet in deep purple to create this giant and silky soft headboard. The brass nail heads outlining the feature adds to its high-end vibe. In this charming bedroom by Townhouse Interiors, a large headboard is a grand focal point. The pretty floral fabric enlivens the space with spring-like colors. A wingback-styled headboard in tufted velvet lends drama to a music-themed guest room at the Ampersand Hotel. For a touch of color, two chartreuse pillows pop against the crisp, white bedding. An upholstered bed with an upholstered headboard steals the show in this elegant space by Jody Rosen Design. The plush bench at the end of the bed enhances coziness. We love smart built-ins that maximize square footage. The one in this cozy bedroom by Elms Interior Design features an upholstered headboard with overhead lighting. The penny bed spotted on Amber Interior Design comes equipped with a detachable cushion that softens up the solid oak headboard. Rebecca Jansma from Space, Grace, and Style gave this bedroom a bold and dramatic new look by combining contrasting patterns. To further spice things up, she went with a fancily shaped headboard. In this Pasadena, California home, Julia Wong Designs installed curtains and 5 sizable upholstered headboard panels behind a queen-sized bed. The result is a beautiful bedroom that feels incredibly relaxing. Typically upholstered beds are all about the headboard, but we think footboards are essential too. But what if your bed does not have one? Consider an upholstered bench. We love the one shown here in this calming bedroom by Susan Glick Interiors for 2 reasons. First, it matches the headboard. Second, it completes the look of the upholstered bed. This enchanting bedroom by Elizabeth Bomberger at Home Polish is full of colorful accents and touchable textures. Our favorite feature is the luxurious burgundy, tufted headboard that was made to order. Think you cannot afford a cute upholstered headboard? This stylish DIY project by Dutch blogger Julies Krehul shares how easy it is to make one. No sewing skills are required. The main ingredient is a long pillow. To get started, you will also need 2 leather straps and a couple of screws. In this California-inspired bedroom in an Austin, Texas home decorated by Studio McGee, simple bedding and a contemporary headboard add balance to a room filled with decorative vintage accents. We worship timeless spaces like this beautiful, neutral bedroom by interior designer Susan Glick. She created a soft and comfortable feature wall using upholstered headboard panels. Accessories like these are designed for easy install and come in different widths, fabrics, and colors. And here is a useful tip: you can use them to soundproof any room in your home. If your current headboard feels a tad tired but you don't have the cash to replace it, behold this thrifty idea from Amber Interior Design. Here the designer perks up an upholstered headboard with a cute throw. Shay McGee, the interior designer behind Studio McGee, says this bedroom she decorated is all about the gray and white striped headboard. It is a simple idea that adds a smattering of pattern to the small space. If you crave bold colors at home, catch a glimpse of this splashy space in a New York beach house by Ghislaine Vina's Interior Design. Topping off the bed is a glossy, leather tufted headboard in a crisp shade of white. The weekend decorator at 1 Kings Lane blog came up with this DIY that transforms 2 bench cushions into an insanely chic headboard. The best part, the project only took 1 afternoon to create. FYI, the wall got a 2-tone paint job before hanging each cushion using leather straps. A dark, brown leather headboard adds a classic touch to this eclectic bedroom by Ashley Bell Interiors. We think leather is an excellent choice for headboards because it is easy to keep clean and dust-free. This yellow headboard adds a pop of refreshing color to a young girl's bedroom designed by Jennifer Powers from Plush Interiors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.